Welcome back to Helper. Today, we're diving into the LUNIS token presale, a new crypto coin built on the Ethereum blockchain and potentially available on Uniswap and through a dedicated app. Start by understanding exactly what LUNIS is, its core concept, and the vision behind it. We'll explore the specific problem it aims to solve and the long-term goals it has for its token and overall ecosystem. We'll examine the LUNIS tokenomics, including the total supply, how the tokens are distributed, and the breakdown of allocation for the presale team and marketing efforts. We'll also cover burning mechanisms, if any, along with the utility of the LUNIS token, including potential staking, governance, and access privileges. Let's look at the important details of the LUNIS presale, including the specific date and time it will take place, the price per LUNIS token during the presale period, and any minimum or maximum purchase limits. We'll also identify which cryptocurrencies are accepted, such as ETH and USDT, and the hard cap and soft cap goals for the presale event. ET's walk through a step-by-step guide on how to actually buy LUNIS during the presale. This includes preparing your wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, acquiring ETH or USDT, connecting your wallet to the presale platform, participating in the presale by swapping your tokens, and finally, claiming your LUNIS tokens. Keep an eye out for screenshots where appropriate to help you navigate the process. You'll also discuss LUNIS's presence on the Ethereum blockchain and the benefits it offers, such as security and decentralization. You'll need the smart contract address for LUNIS, and we'll touch on the potential integration with Ethereum Layer 2 solutions in the future. We will cover the plans for listing LUNIS on Uniswap, including the importance of providing liquidity to Uniswap pools and the potential incentives for liquidity providers. We'll also share future plans for expanding liquidity on other decentralized exchanges or DEXs. Here's also a LUNIS mobile application to explore. We'll detail the features and functionalities of the app, its availability on both iOS and Android platforms, and the benefits of using the app for effectively managing your LUNIS tokens. The LUNIS roadmap will give you an outline of the short-term and long-term development goals, the key milestones, the timelines, and planned community involvement in future development. To know the LUNIS team and advisors. We'll introduce the core team members, highlighting their specific expertise and relevant experience, and also any notable advisors involved in the project. It's also important to consider the security measures that have been taken to protect the LUNIS token, including the information regarding smart contract audits, the transparency of the process, and the project's commitment to security. As with all cryptocurrencies, it's important to consider the risks. We'll outline the potential risks associated with investing in crypto, include a disclaimer about investment advice, and emphasize the importance of doing your own research, also known as DYR. Finally, let's talk about the LUNIS community and social media presence, providing links to official social media channels such as Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. We'll also emphasize the importance of community engagement and the different opportunities available for contributing to the LUNIS project. Conclude, we will summarize the key benefits of participating in the LUNIS presale, encouraging you to join the community, learn more, and directing you to the official website or presale platform. We'll also emphasize that the presale opportunity is limited. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper.